Good afternoon guys, it's Mark here at Servercase UK. I'm here today to talk to you about Servercase, what we do, and essentially why we're working with trusted Dolphin to supply you, the managed service provider, a better service into your customers across the UK. So Servercase UK was started in 2006. We originally started as a case distributor, so we were importing rack mount cases from China and Taiwan and distributing them out to the UK channel. As the business developed over a number of years, we've moved into solutions, so our core focus is custom solutions around server and workstation. We're in lots of different industries, so we can provide out to your B2B office, but we can also supply out Pro AV solutions, CCTV solutions, and pretty much anything where the likes of Dell or HP doesn't fit the marketplace. That doesn't mean that we can't sell Dell or HP. We are partners with those tier 1 vendors. If you do need that type of product, then we will be also happy to talk to you around those types of solutions. And then that of course moves on to the wraparound. The wraparound, of course, the infrastructure, so we're looking at cabinets, we're looking at PDU, we're looking at networking, we're looking at the terminals themselves, so that might be a thin client, a dock for a laptop. We are really kind of living and breathing hardware here at Servercase UK, and we want to pass that on to you through Trusted Dolphin, like I said, who are our partner. We've got a lot of accreditations. We work with tier 1 vendors, we work with PMY, we work with asus, we work with InWin, who are a chassis manufacturer, as well as Logic Case. We're a Pro AV partner for NVIDIA, and we are an Intel technology provider as well. So some really good things going on here, and I believe that working together with Trusted Dolphin, who are a very ethical company, they have a very similar way of doing business as we do, that ultimately we can find a solution for you based around your customer's requirements, which enables your customer to have more trust in the product, more trust in your service as well. And let's face it, we're in 2019, a lot of relationships are built on trust and the ability to do a good job first time round. So I'm going to leave it there for today. I'd like to talk to you more. So please feel free to get in touch with us, and hopefully we can work together in the future.